Okay, let's take a look at what the stock market has been doing recently and get a feel for what's happening next. Okay, here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and this is an 8-year chart. We can see that here's the crash that happened from 2007 to 2009. This is where blue chip, the large cap stocks, lost about 50% of their value right in here. And since 2009, for the past 5 to 5.5 years, the market has been climbing. Okay, that's the big picture. Let's look at a little more recent picture. Okay, in fact, let's go to a 2-year chart. I hope you can see that. Okay, so the market was climbing, and then you see it go sideways for several months here. That was last year, May to November of 2013. About 6 months it went sideways. Then it went up, had a big pullback. We went up higher, had a pullback. So let's look now at the most recent situation. Okay, the market made new highs above 17,000, right about here. And then we had a sharp sell-off, almost 1,000 points on the Dow. So what does that mean? That's the big question. Well, you can see that we've climbed right back up. What it really means is it's no big deal. This is pretty standard for the stock market to have a pullback and even to go sideways for 6 months or more before something happens. And what is that happening? What are you measuring? Well, going back to that 2-year chart, right here, stocks would go, we had a pullback here. Stocks went up to about the same highs and then came back down again. They made a slightly higher low than it did right here, met about the same high and pulled back again. So we're in basically a sideways range over here at this point. When you have confirmation of higher prices, that's when you know the uptrend is still intact. In fact, by definition, it's intact until proven otherwise, where the market starts making lower highs and lower lows. Now, we had a pullback here, but in the big picture, that's still a much higher high, higher low than right here. Okay, so I'm not going to be too worried about the stock market until we start seeing lower highs and lower lows happen. Okay. But however, at this time, because of fundamental reasons, I've put a sell order out for most stocks. In fact, for just about all stocks. So you got to be real careful right now. I still think that the market could go up for another year or two. But, you know, when the crash comes, I don't want to be there. And I don't want to be worried. So I'm out. You can do what you want, but be careful. Know at what point you're going to sell if the market starts to crash, and watch carefully. Okay, so that's what I have for you right now. Now, my site is for investors. I don't talk trading. So if you have any questions about investing, don't hesitate to write a comment and I'll answer them. This is Greg Kilpack of MarketTimingUniversity.com. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.